This presentation is divided into 8 parts. A brief introduction of DOST's HNRDA, HNRDA's alignment with Ambition 2040, NRCP's NIBRA and its 6 programs, Water Security Tubig Program, Water Research in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, Muslim Mindanao, Water Projects in Cordillera Administrative Region, and conclusion. The DOST prepared HNRDA to ensure that the results of science and technology endeavors are geared towards and are utilized in areas of maximum economic and social benefit for the people. HNRDA is aligned with the vision of NEDA's Ambition Natin 2040, Matatag, Maginhawa at Panatag. HNRDA has 3 pillars: malasakit, pagbabago, at kaunlaran. One of the outcomes identified in the Philippine Development Plan 2017-2022 is to increase the country's potential growth by building the foundation for a globally competitive knowledge economy where accelerated technology adoption and stimulated innovation are envisioned to be achieved. The HNRDA has 5 organized sectors. 1. National Integrated Basic Research Agenda. 2. National Unified Health Research Agenda. 3. Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology, and 5. Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Adaptation. NIBRA is undertaken by NRCP and provides 6 programs. 1. Water Security, Tubig Program. 2. Food and Nutrition Security, SAPAT Program. 3. Health Sufficiency, LICAS Program. 4. Clean Energy Alert Program. 5. Sustainable Community SACLAW Program. 6. Inclusive Nation Building ATIN Program. On June 2021, NRCP announced that 58 out of 130 proposals from CFPs or Call for Proposals 2023 are aligned with research and development and the rest is not. 38 are top priorities and 20 are second priorities. To look even closer, among the 6 programs, ATIN, SACLAW, and LICAS has the most proposals and priorities. Tubig has only 1 each for both top and second priority. Tubig Water Security Tubig Program, Tubig ay buhayin at ingatan. The major objectives of this program are 1. Watershed studies. This includes biological, chemical, and physical characterization, water supply stress index, and population growth impacts on water resource availability. And 2. Water quality, accessibility, and availability. This includes pollutants, contaminants on surface and groundwaters, analysis of historical flow, sediment, and toxicity loads of lakes and rivers, and weather modification for increasing water supplies in special localized areas. The priorities for 2017-2019 is ensuring an adequate supply for quality water that is accessible for a growing population, and for years 2020 to 2022 is to conduct studies on rivers, reservoirs, dams, and other surface water resources. Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. 5 provinces of BARMM, namely Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi, were asked to point out their local communities' top issues. More than 300 participants, 40% are male and 60% are female, participated to the survey conducted by NRCP and Ministry of Science and Technology, BARMM. And 70% said that their top issue is the resource of clean water. In 2016, the World Health Organization concluded that one of the top leading causes of death in the Philippines was acute watery diarrhea, which took 139,000 lives. In Cotabato City, the International Labour Organization and a Japan-based organization in collaboration with the BARMM built a water system project which benefited at least 500 indigent residents. Last year, the same organizations also initiated a similar clean water project for the General Maguindanao. It has helped 100 households and 1,600 children. They also hired residents for the lack of employment due to the pandemic. In Marawi City, the BARMM funded their groundbreaking 400 million peso project for water supply project in July 2021. 40 barangays of the city will benefit from this project for the continuing rehabilitation and construction of a potable water system supply. This project was preceded with the initial project last year worth 500 million pesos for the rehabilitation and recovery of Marawi City. Water projects in Cordillera Administrative Region. In mid-2021, the DOST Cordillera launched its two research and development programs aimed to ensure the protection and preservation of the environment. The first project, Program Bundok, a mountain engineering center towards sustainable infrastructure and upland water security. It targets to enhance the industrial competitiveness of the Cordilleras in the field of agriculture, tourism, and mobility through mountain engineering solutions and promote social and human development through the main components, upland water security and environmental sustainability. The upland water security component includes the upland river and spring water assessment and management and the artificial groundwater recharge. According to the University of Cordillera, the Research and Development Center will promote industrial competitiveness and regional development. The sustained upland water security and cable infrastructure will promote higher farm yield and mobility for the community. The program is also expected to have an estimated 1 billion savings in infrastructure damage due to the landslides and extreme flooding in a span of 3 to 5 years while also safeguarding lives. For the second project, ensuring water security and climate resilience for mountain indigenous communities of the Cordillera through technology-enhanced decision support tools. As the title suggests, this program aims to ensure water security for mountain communities in the Cordillera through technology-enhanced decision support tools for the management of safe water supplies, watershed, and river water quality. This project has two main sub-projects. One, safe and secure water supply for mountain indigenous people, and two, Project Danum, decision support and nurturing management of watersheds. This program is implemented in collaboration with Mountain Province State Polytechnic College for the first project, and the second project is to be led by the University of Cordillera. This program accumulated 12.2 million funds combined. According to DOST Cordillera Regional Director, the two programs emanated at least 77 billion grants combined from DOST PCIEERD and NRCP. For Project Bundok, it is expected to be completed after 3 years and the other for 2 years. In addition, on July 2021, the DOST CAR Regional Director Nancy A. Bantog in launch and orientation of DOST-approved R&D programs in Cordillera outlined that the solutions to some challenges for regional developments are the importance of science, technology, and innovation. In comparison with the Bangsamoro region and Cordillera region, I noticed that most projects in Bangsamoro are either self-funded or in support with foreign non-government organizations. With my insufficient knowledge, I believe that the government should promulgate for the improvement of the situation of the country without leaving anyone behind. It is inevitable that some communities are more emergent than the others. However, we should not forget about the rest. In alliance to the Ambition 2040, I believe that more funding of these research and development projects, including the other sustainability and specific improvement projects for the whole country, will hasten the journey of every Filipino in their vision. This presentation is divided into 8